One time I was on shrooms. Should we talk about shrooms? Whatever. I was down on the beach. The fucking water was going and the waves and the sound. All I was hearing was eat the sand. And I looked at my buddy Jesse and he's like, how's the sand? And I was like, are we supposed to eat the sand? I'm Matty Matheson and welcome to Just a Dash. Today, we are gonna make a COTE-DE-BEOUF in a beautiful little salad. And that's it. Yeah! Right here, we have a prime rib. That's a 7-bone rib. I wanna make a COTE-DE-BEOUF. So what I'm gonna do is just cut literally this guy in half. Beautiful. I'm going to the middle of the middle. I want the cream of the crop. It's got some dry age on it. It's already pretty much trimmed up a little bit. I don't have to do anything to it. We're gonna season our steak first. And I only put salt on it because I don't want the pepper to burn. I like to apply fresh cracked pepper at the very end, okay? That's it. Our steak's coming up to room temperature. So with a steak this big, you can leave this out for like an hour, 2 hours even. It'll be completely fine. Shit can be fucking room temp. Somebody leaves like an egg out for like 8 minutes. Everyone's like, don't eat that egg. Someone like jumps on it like it's a fucking grenade. Like, get out of here. Fucking losers. Don't let the fucking goddamn government control you, okay? Chemtrails. Google it. Anyway, so edit that out, okay? There's probably a fucking drone on top of my house right now watching this whole fucking thing because I'm a fucking badass. So, to start this, I'm gonna put enough canola oil so the entire pan is filled. So now, we're searing our steak. The canola oil has a higher burn level than like olive oil or any other kind of oil. So canola oil really will allow me to form a nice crust on the steak. While we're doing that, let's make a salad dressing. We're gonna make my favorite salad dressing. First, get a shallot. And I just like to have little rounds. So I just slice it, I'm not gonna dice it. I'm gonna just slice our celery. For the olives, all you gotta do is just smush them. Get out the seeds. You give them a little tap, almost like smushing garlic. And you just work away and you pick away all the olive meat. And then we're just gonna chop up our olives. I love this salad dressing so much. Some green onions. Oh, mama, this is so fucking good. Zest of a lemon, no problem. You know, no problem. I'm gonna throw some mint in there. You don't put a lot, just a few leaves. You can just roll that up, give it a little chiffonade. The mint and the olives, trust me, that shit goes. Just a little bit of mint goes a long way, so just add a little bit of mint, just a little bit of parsley too. We don't have to get crazy. Oh, that's nice. You know, we're doing two things here. We're making salad dressing, we're watching the steak. Now look at that. Oh. So that golden brown is beautiful. We're gonna just microplane some garlic. And now, I just take some canola oil. And then olive oil. And now, white vinegar. And we want lots of vinegar. So, almost equal parts. I want lots of oil, lots of vinegar. Boom, 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 boom. You got that, sit it aside, a little salt, a little pepper for seasoning. Taste that. That is fucking perfect. That shit, you could put even on a fish, a piece of steak, a piece of pork. Just that in itself, it's almost like a big chunky salsa verde. It's fucking sick. We're gonna go back to the steak. Look at that golden brown. So we're just gonna sear it all sides. So as this is cooking, we can really focus. That's all good now. We're good. We're good. Whoa! Be very careful of that, okay? See, I was talking, hot oil everywhere. Quite the mess. Everything got hit. Okie dokie. Hot oil is very scary. So we're just gonna brown literally all of the sides on this guy. You know, cooking steaks is like the manliest, stupidest thing ever. Everyone always talks about, you flip it once and you fucking slap it on its belly and I want it to still be moving. There's no way that flipping a steak once makes it good or not good. I think just tending to a steak properly is what makes a steak good. Just make it nice. If you want to get into the science, read a fucking science book. I'm not a scientist. I got a rat tail, okay? When was the last time you saw a fucking scientist with a rat tail? So you can use the side of your pan here to make sure that it doesn't fall over. Oh, yeah, I got a little bit of oil down here. Got fucking oil all over everything. Jesus Christ, look at that. Hey, Benny boy! Benny boy! Oh, camera Ben! Oh, camera Ben! What a beautiful guy, a beautiful guy. So at this moment, you really want to pay attention to your steak. This thing is still completely raw in the center. So now what we have to do is, now that we got this nice, beautiful sear, I'm gonna get rid of some of that oil. Now, we're gonna take a 1/4 pound of butter. And now, we are gonna just sit here and butter baste. On each side for about 5 minutes. This is medium-high heat. And we are literally just sitting here basting. You can see the butter starting to brown a little bit. And you can really start concentrating on different areas. You create your own kind of surface. And you brown it up with this hot butter. Oh, a little bit over there. You just get to paint this picture. This COTE-De-BEOUF little painting of beef. Boeuf. Boeuf is good for you. Boeuf is good for me. We butter baste on just a dash. Oh.
Have you done acid before, Matty?
Have I done acid before? Good question, Tort. I've done acid a lot. You know, I'm a bad boy. I flew too close to the sun, so no more acid. One time my whole lacrosse team did acid and we did a tournament. We didn't do that great. But I remember my whole team, we were high as fuck on acid playing lacrosse. Field lacrosse. It was really nice, really fun. I loved it. Okay, we're getting close. Just a few minutes on each side. And this big steak, that warmth of the pan and the butter is really nice. So now what I'm gonna do is add the other 1/4 pound of butter. I'm gonna add a bunch of thyme, a couple cloves of garlic in there, skin on. Everyone always throws everything in right away. Maybe with a smaller steak you can do that, right? But with this, you really wanna make sure that your steak's cooked and that you're not burning the garlic and the thyme. You really just wanna make it, get the best out of it. This is a dream within a dream. I think this guy's done. This is a dream of COTE-De-BEOUF. Put it onto a resting rack so then it doesn't steam on the bottom. You want that air all the way around, and all of a sudden that steak should come up about another 10 degrees, right? From the residual heat, the residual cooking, because everything is cooking until it's cold, right? We're gonna let this rest for 15 minutes, okay? On just a dash, come back now! I love the commercial like takeaway, you know, like after this commercial. There's no commercials. Hopefully there's some ads, you know? Hopefully there's a couple ads on the old YouTube! Do you think I overcooked it? Oh my God. For a big steak like this, it's gonna take some time to figure out how to do it. There's gonna be some residual cooking times. So you really wanna make sure that in the middle, it feels, look at that. It's kind of punchy. We stick a thermometer if you want. It's a big steak, you know? You can touch it as much as you want. You push it down, you do the fucking well done, medium rare, fucking medium, fucking well done. What is it? It's a big fucking steak. It's gonna take you a long time to figure it out. You doing this and then touching something that's hot is not, you're not gonna be able to do that, okay? So just get a thermometer. So I want my steak at 120 for medium rare, right into the middle of the eye. See, I knew it. I'm at 125. It's running a little hot. I got lost in the bubbling butter. So this is gonna be more like a medium. We're gonna figure this out, guys. We're here for each other. Holy cat shit. So salad making is a fucking art, okay? You just break these leaves. We're having like whole leaves. Almost like a little crudité. Maybe some fresh parsley in here, even more parsley. Just chop it up. Stems, whatever. Let the leaves fall from the trees. Now we're gonna add this to our beautiful picked lettuces. Oh my God, beautiful. And now we're just gonna take our hand and we're just gonna lightly let everything kind of fall into itself. The oils and the vinegars, all the little crunchy bits of the celery, the green olives, the shallots, the mint, the herbs. And you can always check for seasoning. Okay, hold on. Add a little salt, add some fresh cracked peps, a little fresh lemon in there. Oh, one final little toss. See, that salad's for anyone. I love this salad. Now, this steak has been rested. We're gonna take all of the juices and just pour them back into with that butter. Oh. Oh, just a dash of salad, just steak. I'm gonna just slice off the bone. Oh, it's perfect. Doy. I'm gonna just cut right down the middle and look at that. It's perfect. It is perfect because I'm fucking #1. A lot of singing on Just a Dash. A lot of passion. So now we just cut the fucking COTE-DE-BEOUFs. If you were fucking playing lacrosse all fucking day out in the fields, high as fuck on acid, thinking fucking lacrosse ball was a fucking candy cane chasing around like Santa Claus, this is the meal. We're just gonna dress the steak, a little bit of butter. You get home, you're like, I can't even feel my skin. My bones wanna come out of my body, but my skin. This is the meal. A little lemon. If I had this meal during that round robin lacrosse tournament in high school, I think I probably would have won. And you crack that pepper. I never even really played the game. I just took acid. I was benched. I wasn't even a good player. Then I got kicked off the team. I wasn't allowed on buses. I got in trouble because I wasn't allowed on buses to face some property on a school trip. Steak, salad, greatest things in the world. Fucking goddamn Matty salad. COTE-DE-BEOUF. A little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of butter. This is crazy! I can't believe! Should chew more. I should chew more. I wanted to talk. I didn't really chew it out. Make sure to always chew it out, okay? On Just a Dash, you always chew it out because you don't want to choke. I almost choked there. Yow! Best thing ever for you guys. Best thing ever for me. I love you guys. Steak and salad. Lots of butter. Beurre, noisette. Brown butts. The brown butts. I'd like to personally thank every single subscriber with just a hug. If I ever see you in public, just come up and just don't even introduce yourself. Especially like if I'm with my family. Just kind of come up and just really get in there on me and just hug me. And then like a nice whisper in the ear is, I subscribe to your YouTube channel, Matty Matheson. And then you release me back into the world, hopefully with my family. And then you disappear and I go on with my life, you go on with yours. And if I can get that from every single subscriber that I see in the world, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. Subscribe.